Okay, so okay, so in this equation we have this variable. It's a variable with fraction. We do have night. I can write night like that, but I would like, to make a train to our brain, and because of that I decide to write night like that. Also 3x I write not like that, but like that. Why I do it? Because this is is some kind of train to our brain, and because of that I decide to use that. Okay, so the mostly closer number that okay, first let's make a basis tonight. So that's gonna be 27 divided with 3, instead 9 divided with 3, and instead of write 3x divided with 1, I'm gonna write 6x divided with 2. Okay, so the most, let's say let's be able to begin, and let's say that the only mostly numbers that I can devise all of those numbers, it's 13. Okay, now we can start our trip for that, our journey for that. Okay, so 13 divided with 10 is 3, multiplied with 7x with plus 1 plus 3 multiplied to 27. I just remind you that I would like to write multiplied without any symbol, and that just makes sure that we're not gonna confuse. Okay, 3 multiplied to 27 equal. No, I made a mistake. 13 divided with 3 is 10. So 10 multiplied to 27, that will be equal to 13 divided with 2, it's 15. That will be equal to 15 multiplied with 6x. Also, I remind you that I'm not going to make any multiply symbol, just to make sure that we're not going to make any confuse. Okay. So here, and here we have 13 divided with negative 2 is negative 15 multiplied with 4x with minus 14. Okay, so 3 multiplied to 7x is going to be plus 21x going to that way, and 3 multiplied to 1 is plus 3 going to that way. That's going to the yes, I'm sorry, usually we're gonna write it like that. So plus 25 1x going to the left side and plus 3 going to the right side. Okay, 10 to multiply with 27, that's going to be 217 plus going to that side equal to 15 divided with 6, so it's okay, it's 19, 15 multiplied to 6s, because there's going to be plus 19x going to that way, going to the left way, and negative 4x, and negative 15 multiplied to 4x, that's going to be negative 16x going usually to that way, to the left way, and negative 15 multiplied with negative 14, negative 15 multiplied with negative 14, that will be equal to 210, to 210. Okay, that's gonna be plus 20 and we 110, because when we multiplied negative and negative or divide negative, that all will be plus, that all will be regular number. Okay, so let's say that we have plus 24x with negative 19x and with plus 16x. I just remind you that all the number after the equation, I changed them first. When negative become to be plus and plus become to be negative, that is how I change them first. And all of that will be equal to negative 13, negative 3. 3 is written before the equation, and because of that I change is first, but all other number like plus 210, I'm not able to change this part because the written where it is supposed to be written after the equation. So negative 3 plus 210. Okay, I also have here 217, that become to be a negative. I changed him first because he's written before the equation, he's supposed to written after the equation. Okay, so let's say that x equal to okay, so plus 21 with negative 19 plus 16, that will be equal to negative 9. And negative 3 plus 210 with negative 217, that will be equal to negative 63. Okay. 60. Okay, so 63 negative 63 divided with negative 9, that will be equal to 7. And that says that 7, the 7 is the correct answer. And that is how I will solve this puzzle. Today we're gonna learn how to use function with one variable and how to devise one variable with function.